How to apply shadow effects to any image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply shadow effects to any image in your Canva application. So as here you can see, I have this blank canvas right here in front of me, and in order to demonstrate I will be adding any sample image into this particular canvas or design. So in order to add an image into this design, what I'm going to do is simply click onto the Elements tab present at the left hand side. Now from here, let me choose any image. Let's say this image right here. So let me click onto this, and here you can see that the image has been successfully added into my Canva design. Now in order to give or add shadows into this particular image, what I can do is simply click onto this image, and then these options will appear at the top. Now from here you need to choose the edit button, and then under edit you need to scroll down in this particular dialog box, and from here under the effects you can see this option that says shadows. So simply click onto this shadows button, and currently you can see that the shadows is set to none. And if you want to add shadows, you have these 7 options. The first one is the glow, the second one is a drop, then it is outline option, there is an angled option, a page fit option, a curved option, and a backdrop as well. So for example, let me add the backdrop, and now here you have these options. The first one is the blur amount, so it will adjust the blur of the shadow, that how much blur it should appear. Then there is the direction, in which direction you want the shadow, so you can adjust the direction of the shadow according to your preference. Then there is the intensity of color of the shadow, so the higher the intensity, the greater will be the darkness of that particular shadow, and the lesser the intensity, the lighter will be the shadow. So that's how easily you can add a shadow into any image in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.